You choking on all the contamination over there? That's it, don't come back in until Tuesday. What? What's up guys, it's Sean from Tint Warriors, and today we're gonna be ding, 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 ding. Day in the life. We got two fronts on this Silverado. All right, a little prep, pop some panels, lay some film. It's gonna be a quick day in the life because we started midday and got a short amount of appointments left. So you take your gasket stick.
This and more about her Saturday night. Otezla can help.
In the top, twist it, and as you pull it back, twist the stick along the way. All the way in the front, you gotta release first. Cool. So there's one screw behind there, there's two screws behind the cover we just took off, and there's two screws on the bottom of the door panel. All right. Tinting and training. You pop it all the way from the bottom, and then you gotta slide it up and off. Pull the gasket out. Get all that glue off. A little trick, wrap the towel around your finger, rub it on the etching. Though I need to use a razor blade on it. Ooh. It's the leaky end. So we got this. Then we got to finish doing a removal on the BMW. We got a Telluride coming down for the full windshield. And then we have taillights. I don't know how much we're going to cover in this video, but we'll do as much as possible. Spray squeegee spray. The bottom node, front corner in first. Always. Bring the back down. Seal up the top edge. Which direction did we squeegee when the windows rolled up, Felipe? I forgot. Huh? Down. Sometimes I forget. Felipe is my tinting dictionary. Easy. Let's check it quick, just to make sure I'll save you some trouble.
Yeah, there with the towel.
See right there, the C. Little tiny things. You got everything else good. It was just those two little spots. Gasket back. Hey.
I saw your model. That's because I gotta refill my.
Easy peasy. Sometimes these clips go sideways. And just like that, we're scraping glue off of a window in the wild forest of Tint Warrior land. I don't know, Felipe, it's coming off pretty easy. This glue is blue. Never seen that before. Maybe they do that to try to make it look like ceramic. Scrape, 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 scrape. Down the side. Secret trick. Secret, top secret material here. Why'd you make that face?
No, because I was struggling to untake this thing.
Oh. Trying to think of something. Because you just said, I'm trying to untake this thing off. And, you know, obviously it wasn't proper English. There was this thing on the radio. They were saying, she said something about a stadium, like the biggest stadium there is, I don't know, biggest, yeah, or something like that, and it's on repeat every day. I'm just like, so you said that, and I was like, oh my god, that reminds me of that. We all say weird shit. It's fun.
What? They have those?
Yes, it's Tint. That's why he doesn't need this anymore.
What?
Doesn't need us anymore. He's got sunscreen. If you're watching this video and you got a Cybertruck, I will tint it for 50% off. Oh boy. You choking on all the contamination over there? That's it. Don't come back in until Tuesday.
Good.
Good. Take all this stuff out. Felipe.
Oh my God. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Uno más.
Oh man, it didn't go through.
It's too low. That was my fault. So dry sheets on, you just took the stickers off, right? Nothing else? Yep. Cool. I was driving through my neighborhood going 25 miles an hour last night, and this f***ing lady walking her 2 corgis. Granted, as I pass her, I slow down to 20. I look at my speed because I'm in my neighborhood, like I don't want to be a so slow down to 20, and I go on the opposite side of the road towards oncoming traffic if there were any. And this lady's at the top of her f***ing lungs. Slow down! I can hear it through my windows, and you can't hear shit through those windows. Oh my f***ing God, bro. I was so triggered. Floored it. Pulled into my driveway. This is like maybe 100 feet from my driveway. Slow down! I f***ing flew into my driveway, ran out to the end of the driveway. I was like, did you f***ing tell me to slow down? You were f***ing flying! I was going 20 miles an hour. You were not going 20. Remember, you live in a community now. What? Technically, I can go as fast as I f***ing want, but I slowed down because you were there. And then her husband was like,
come on, let's go.
He was like walking away as she was walking towards me. And I was like, you know what? I hope you have a great night and Happy New Year. Like you try to do the right thing and slow down and go to the opposite side of the road. That makes me want to floor it. I'm gonna bring my Infinity home, find out where she lives, and once I get the Infinity all souped up, every morning, I'm gonna slam it into neutral and just. After a long day like yesterday, and someone tell me to slow down when I'm going 10 miles an hour less than the speed limit, one corner, all the way to the top middle, other corner straight up, inside's already scraped, wiped, just gotta spray squeegee spray. A little burn down there, but that's all right. I should actually trim that off, because if you ever have something like this, when you're reverse rolling it might flake off and get into the window. Just trim the burn part off. It's just a release liner from the pre-cut.
I look at like using both better, the yellow ones, but I want to get used to the big ones.
What yellow ones? The triggers?
Yeah.
The Home Depot bottles?
Yeah.
Come on now. That's that tinting out of your garage bottle right there. Over the top. Underhand to get further down. Flush out the bottom, mist up the center. Don't spray too much under the mirror. Dirt could drip down. Lay the film down, keep the liner on the back. Pull the tint. Palm up. Line up the window, bring it to the driver's side as much as possible. I don't even know what I'm doing. Whew. Shoulders still hurt from that gym. This underneath here.
You know, to get rid of that, you gotta stretch it to the size. You know
yeah, gotta get it underneath here first. Thanks for the tip. I needed that, actually. I was always wondering how to get rid of that line.
And then remember to always switch to the sides and then up.
From the center?
Yeah, from the center.
Like right below here?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, should I go as far as down as I can reach?
Nah.
No? What about straight down?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just go straight down.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, you are.
Cool. Wow.
Has it ever happened that you pulled that?
That's why I pull it so slowly. Want to show them how much water's in this thing? What'd you say, Ernesto? Huh? Wait.
That's a lot.
WindowTintSupplies.com. Didn't have its morning coffee yet.
Want me to get this out? Want me to get this out?
You want to what?
You want me to get this out?
Pull it out?
Yeah. Or get it out, pull it out, same thing, bro.
Yeah.
Now you just pulling my...
No, you really, I didn't know. I thought you were talking about like contamination or some shit.
Is that a crease or...
Crease?
Or like just water or just water?
Yeah. No creases.
No crease.
Huh? I did say that for a second. What? My upper fell off. Just clips back on. Just too quiet. That's it for the day in the life. We're in a lot of bit behind today, about an hour and 16 minutes behind. I gotta do some taillights and I gotta get out of here. We're gonna end it at that. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, TikTok, follow us on there. We got some fun videos on there. You should watch them. See ya.